It's the ones that had no name. And it's the ones who had opportunities knocking. I'm comfortable on the block and I'm trying to motivate myself to get it poppin'. My past like a blanket of warmed doubts. It's ready to tuck me in. Me and Pain played Ring Around the Rosy and we was best friends. The devil played board games with me and my mama's den, telling me don't go past go, it's safer not to begin. The clouds been blocking my sunny days, future hazy. When they tell me I'm amazing, I don't believe it. The thought of my name and lights, it kinda make me squeamish. I'm throwing cold shoulders to my craft like I'm anemic. Dodging reality checks cause I don't know how to cash that. Like if I use my voice, would they even really catch that? Solo moments made me believe in me. I had to bounce back in this for no name. And for the kids that felt like we had no name, now I got no shame to speak up and do my damn thing. I told the skeletons in my closet we couldn't hang. I heard time waits for no man, I heard that via word of mouth. I'm currently drawing game plans in hopes that it'll get us out. And it's for no name, and it's for no name. I got checked by reality now, I ain't got no shame, yeah.
Rap Mastodon. And you know I been fast to blast through Padawans, acting like they really on the path we on. I've been feeling like I'm sick as pathogen, so come get ill and pass it on. Yeah, I guess I'm feeling diseases, feeling myself lately, I think it's switched to the seasons. And maybe I've been feeling better with the snow, simply cause the heart is cold, but fuck it, I need growth, yeah. If I ever wanna fill him with heat, I'm feeling like he's been working so diligently, killing these beats in an emphatic fashion. I can slash through half your faction, pace is rapid, fuck it though. I'm feeling like the average was too much, and maybe that was me being lethargic. Feeling like I probably should switch the mentality and show us fatalities when beats I'ma jar 'em. Yeah, I've been charmed with something they couldn't understand. I'm feeling like I need to grind for the upper hand, and after that I probably move it to the table to maneuver through anything they said I wasn't able, yeah.